Hello, welcome. Let's do this together. So today I'm designing a crinoline bow fascinator. Like I'm using a crinoline to make this simple bow fascinator. This style is very suitable for beginners. So if you're a learner, you use this to start learning about crinoline and the rest of the millinery materials. So to have this style done with, you fold your crinoline into 2 equal parts. After that, now fold it again to have a bow. When you have your bow, you sew it up firmly. Depending on the number of bows that you want to get, you keep doing that until you get what you desire. And it is possible for you to make the bows equal, like the length equal, and you can still make them not to be equal, like one will be longer than the other. So this is what I'm doing now. You fold it to have the exact size that you desire. So when you have that done, you just sew it by the center. When you sew it at the center, you let the excess crinoline to flip because you need it at the end to cover up the sewing. So this is what I'm doing. I've gotten the 3 bows that I desire, and this is 2 yards of crinoline. So you can use 4, you can use 5, depending on how big you want your fascinator to be, how fascinating you want it to be, how loud you want it to be. So mine is a simple one. So I used 2 yards of crinoline and it gave me 3 bows. And also it also depends on how long the bows are. Remember to like my video, subscribe and comment. If there's any style you want me to work on, please drop the picture in the comment section and I will do a video on how it is done. Thank you. So you sew it firmly, especially if you are giving it to a child. You know how children play with their stuff, so that even if they roll it on the floor, they fling it in the air, it will still be intact. Nothing will happen to it. So now, after getting this done, you can see that the fascinator itself is ready. I'm done with the design. So now I want to attach feathers, and now I'm not using gum. I'm using my tray to sew it, and you will see that I will sew it very well and it will be fine. You can use thread to do anything. It depends on your ability to use it neatly. So I'm using my thread and my needle to attach the feathers to this fascinator. And you know, I just love this color, yellow and pink. It's very eye-catchy and I want my baby girl to stand out. So I use a pink feather. Also, you can use as many feathers as you want to use, any type of feathers, especially if you want to do this style for an adult. I would advise you use much feathers, yes, to make it more fascinating than this. You use more feathers, and you can combine the feathers, like different kinds of feathers. It will make the fascinator to be very fascinating. So this is it. I am done with that. I want to attach Alice band, elastic band. Sorry, I'm not using Alice band because it's for a child. Alice band is not that suitable for children, but elastic band is better because they will just put it on their head and it will hold them. No matter how they shake the head, it will not fall off. But Alice band can fall off a child's head if she is not careful the way she carries it, especially if the Alice band is a big one. So this is it. Still sewing up the elastic band to the fascinator. Please comment on this video, like, and if you are not a returning subscriber, if you've not subscribed to my channel, let me use this opportunity to solicit for your support. Support me by subscribing to this channel. Thank you. I would really appreciate if you do so. So this is it. I've done that and my fascinator is ready. All you need to do is get your crinoline, get your thread, get your needle, and you start working on that fascinator. So after all the sewing, you will need to cover up this middle with a fabric. You can use fabric, you can use that crinoline that I said you should remain at the beginning of this video, your excess crinoline. You can also use it. You can use feathers, like sewing feathers. You can use it to cover this up, but I'm using cinnamon. That's the only yellow material I had left, so I'm using the cinnamon to cover it up. This is how it is, the outcome of the design. Isn't that beautiful? Thank you for watching. Please comment.